Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P40 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, and we should find it somewhere right here. So there's the toggle for the ultra power saving mode. Now this is the super extreme one, I'll show that at the end. But to get to the other options, all you need to do is hold this toggle and it will take you to settings. And from here, the battery right now is at 50%. Which apparently will last us for 10 hours and 21 minutes. Now you have the performance mode, which will boost the device and reduce the battery, as you can see, by 31 minutes looks like. So you can enable that if you want extra performance, but if you want to save the battery, you have the power saving mode right here, which at the moment will yield us another additional 3 hours of battery life while enabled. And all you do is just tap on the toggle right there, and you're now in the power saving mode. It actually looks like it's going up, so it didn't really calculate it correctly, as you can see. So now it's at 15 hours and 14 minutes, so it yields us almost 5 hours, a little bit less than that. And with that enabled, you'll have a couple drawbacks, like notifications will be arriving in bulk instead of whenever you should get them normally. So if you receive a message, or normally would receive a message, with this being enabled, you'll basically receive a couple messages at once, and they will be held back. So the device will scan for messages every certain amount of time, and then deliver all the ones that you should got, for instance, before. And then, like I said, there's the other option, so the ultra power saving mode, which is a little bit more intense. So as you can see, it goes from 10 hours to close to 50 hours, which it's a bit insane, but it does limit the device quite significantly. So if I go into here, toggle it on, enable, that's the power saving mode. Now on here you only have access to the couple apps right here. You can add additional ones. The phone is drastically limited. As you can see, the background of the device becomes black and everything else is and basically reduced light. You can't really pull down the notification panel all the way. Now the background on here is black because the screen is an AMOLED, so black pixels don't need to be lit up, so it saves also battery on that. And you have just access to the bare minimum right here. So yeah. Now if you want to leave this mode, all you need to do is press on the button right here, as you can see, and then tap on exit, and it will take you back to the normal mode. So that is how you would enable the power saving mode and also the ultra power saving mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.